Level up your adventure instantly with free loot. This is your ultimate guide on claiming those sweet redemption codes in Dungeon Quest. First things first, fire up Dungeon Quest and get ready to navigate to the main menu. It's your starting point for claiming those rewards. Now, look around for the Options button. It usually looks like a gear or cog icon, so give that a tap. Alright, you're in the Options menu. Scan the list for a redemption or code entry field. This is where the magic happens. See that little text box? Go ahead and carefully type in your redemption code here. Double check for typos because codes are case sensitive. With the code inputted and verified, now it is time to smash that redeem button like you mean it. Boom, success! A notification should pop up, instantly rewarding you with free in-game goodies. Get ready to smash those monsters! And that's all, folks. Enjoy your enhanced Dungeon Quest adventure and make sure to subscribe and like for more awesome gaming guides.